This is my meditation. I feel my body levitating. Strobe light stimulation.